How to safeguard your retirement with a $1 million Gold IRA investment. Protecting your retirement savings is essential, especially in a world where markets rise and fall without warning. A $1 million Gold IRA investment offers a strong way to defend your wealth, hedge against inflation, and reduce dependence on unstable paper assets. Gold's stability makes it a trusted choice for long-term security. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Why choose a Gold IRA? 1. Inflation protection. Gold often rises when the cost of living increases. 2. Crisis stability. During downturns, gold tends to hold or grow in value. 3. Tax benefits. Like traditional IRAs, growth is tax deferred. 4. Physical ownership. You own real gold stored in approved facilities. 5 steps to set up your Gold IRA. 1. Choose an IRS-approved custodian. Pick a trusted provider with good reviews and clear fees. 2. Open the account. Select a traditional or Roth Gold IRA. Most investors fund it through rollovers from 401ks or IRAs. 3. Transfer or rollover funds. Use a direct rollover to avoid taxes or penalties. 4. Buy IRS-approved gold. Choose eligible coins and bars, such as American Eagles or Maple Leafs. 5. Store gold in an approved depository. Your custodian arranges secure, insured storage. Key benefits: wealth preservation. Gold maintains value during economic stress. Reduced risk. Gold's low correlation with stocks adds balance to large portfolios. Liquidity. You can sell portions when needed. Estate value. Physical gold can be passed on to your heirs. Potential risks: price swings, gold fluctuates, monitor the market. Storage fees, compare depository costs. Rule changes, stay updated on IRA regulations. Authenticity concerns, buy only from reputable dealers. Optimize your Gold IRA, review annually. Rebalance when markets shift. Stay informed about gold trends. Consider adding other metals like silver or platinum. Safeguarding your retirement doesn't have to be complex. A $1 million Gold IRA investment creates a strong foundation that protects your savings from inflation, volatility, and future uncertainty. By choosing the right custodian, following the proper steps, and monitoring your portfolio, you secure long-lasting financial stability. Your retirement deserves protection. Start building it today. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.